How to enable the magnification shortcut on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on so you can quickly zoom into your screen with a simple gesture. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Accessibility. After that, tap Vision Enhancements. At this point, tap Magnification. From here, toggle on Magnification Shortcut to enable it. Following this, a pop-up will appear explaining how the shortcut works. Tap OK to confirm. After that, by default, the shortcut is set to triple tap, so you can simply tap your screen 3 times quickly with one finger to activate magnification. From here, once zoomed in, drag 2 fingers across the screen to pan around, or pinch with 2 fingers to adjust the zoom level. At this point, if you'd rather use a different shortcut, like the floating accessibility button instead of triple tap, tap on Shortcut Type from the same magnification settings page and select your preferred option. Finally, to exit magnification, triple tap the screen again the same way you activated it. That's how you enable the magnification shortcut on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.